When you're going to put information out there about the job that's open, you want to also communicate information about your company. So it's just like in social media in particular, you don't want to just be sending out stuff like from your, say, your corporate side, buy our stuff, buy our stuff. Social media is building that relationship and getting people to start to know who you are, know your company. It's the same on the recruiting side. When you put information out, 70% should be general information, maybe industry information, trends, things that are going on in the industry. So you're seen as, wow, this company is awesome. They're sending me stuff maybe once a month, information about recruiting, what's happening in the industry, trends, stuff like that. And then you put a little bit of information in about the company. And then the last piece is going to be 10% on the jobs itself. And that's where you would actually put out there, hey, we have a new opening on the marketing team. We're looking for this and this and this. But you don't want to only be sending that out. You want to try to build that, nurture that relationship with people that are out there now who are the talented people you want to attract.